Welcome to TechRanch, a place where we learn and earn technical skills in the most efficient way. Let's make coding fun. Practice project ideas. Virtual Assistant. Today we are going to present you a live demonstration of Virtual Assistant web application implemented using HTML, JavaScript and CSS. Before we get into the demonstration, let's just see what is actually Virtual Assistant and what are the requirements. Virtual Assistant web application is a browser interface that allows you to record human speech and convert it into text. So basically, we are going to do the speech recognition. Now, taking notes by using voice to text or traditional keyboard input. Now, making notes to save and sound and save it in the local storage. And what else you can do is you can even read those text, what you're going to write it down while speaking. So basically we are having a reader and writer, both feature implemented in this application. Now here, with the help of reading and writing, you can save notes to a local storage. So shows all notes and give the option to listen them via speech synthesis. Now let's take a look at the implementation. For user interface, we are going to use HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, a simple web application design for user interface. We'll have a text area for making notes and the buttons for options like speak or record or pause record or delete and exit. So all these buttons you can mention it. JavaScript is the main engine of this application because it contains your web speech API. This particular API will help you to convert your speech to text and text to speech. So this engine has two phases: speech to text, that will be implemented by speech recognition, and another part is text to speech by speech synthesizer API. Now with the help of these two things, you can read and write. We have a small space, local storage, space for saving your notes, and you can even use your special characters by simply using your speech. Style sheets are basically nothing but to have a symmetric look and feel of the web application. So in case if you want something fancy, you can use images or many colorful patterns in your style in your web space or a web page. So in basically this CSS and JavaScript is linked to HTML, and HTML is included everything here. CSS will help to have a symmetric colors and font faces and font style and size and family, all of them maintained in a form with the help of CSS, and HTML provide the basically user interface, and JavaScript will have a complete engine of it. Now let's take a look at the demonstration. My virtual assistant will look like this, where we have the space of this text area. Now when I click on start recognition, it will start typing here, and pause recognition, and you can save note. Now let's take a look at the demonstration. So this is my virtual assistant online writer and reader helper. Since it's a Eclipse browser, I'm going to show it in the Chrome browser. Because of that, you can see the difference in the interface. So see, virtual assistant, online writer and reader helper. So what I'm going to do is, let's first see how we can convert your speech to text. So start recognition means you can start speaking, and that will make a note on the space area. Now let's take a look at this. Hello. How are you? Question mark. Thank you so much. Hello. How are you? Question mark. Nice to see you. Full stop. Hi. How are you? Question mark. Nice to see you. Full stop. What is your name? Question mark. Where do you live? Question mark. What's your favorite color? Question mark. My favorite color is purple. Full stop. So as you can see, it carries all the special characters for the proper sentence creation, and there are some changes, need to be changes for the grammar, like other things, but it is good enough. It is very simple and basic and small app to implement the speech recognition API. Now here I can have a save my notes. So just in case, this is my storage. Now if you see.
Hi, how are you? Nice to see you. What is your name? Where do you live? What's your favorite color? My favorite color is purple.
So this is how we can read and write our notes. Now this will be saved in a browser end. So you can even store, it's like a storing in a cookies or the temporary internet files. Since it's deployed and we are running in the browser, so it is all maintained in the browser level. So this is basically your local storage, which is saved at the browser level. Now you can create more of such scripts. Hi, what are you doing? I have sent you an email. Please reply me back as soon as possible. Bye.
Hi, what are you doing? I have sent you an email. Please reply me back as soon as possible. Bye.
So you have seen the difference when we are not using any question mark or special character and full stop. It's just reading in one through. So special characters are basically very helpful in such case when you are using any writing script for a writer or any speaker. So that will help them to read and go through it again and again. It's a very important and a very interesting application in such places. So this is about the demonstration of online virtual assistant for reading and writing helper. Applications, if you see, what you can do, you can include the database integration so that all these notes and information, the date of script and writer and for speaker and all such information you can maintain in the database and keep it safe for a longer period, because it's not going to be a local storage. It's pretty good script. It's pretty good space for such information to store. Add more libraries to execute command vocally. So in case if we miss and wanted to use some numbers, my phone number, even you can use more libraries to add that. Add more features to include calendar. You can have calendar included here, like simply speak up the commands, like open the Messenger, open the Facebook, open the Twitter and Instagram. So all these commands can be executed vocally. So these things you can add in with the help of some libraries. More features to include calendar that will help you to just speak up that, set a reminder or add an event in my calendar. So those things you can include it. Use emoticons by text for chat application. For example, in chat application, we use the text and that will detect the emoticons, the stickers and the message, send a message in one way with the images. So that thing you can do it. For writer or speaker to write notes on, is very important application for business and commercial applications. You can use for writing an email and send an email. Those commands you can execute. So this is all. You can include it as an add-on feature and practice at home and create a complete application. It's just an idea and very basic virtual assistant reading and writing helper application. For any kind of questions, concerns, and source code, please feel free to contact and email to techranch2019@gmail.com. And please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more upcoming interesting, informative sessions. And if you like it, please like the video and share with your friends and family who is in need. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Let's make coding fun. Thank you.